it's Heidi from WTI, and I feel so put together and confident when my nails are done. My go-to nail product is Illuminating Concealer by LONDONTOWN, and in particular the pink shade. The brush is so soft and wide, so it covers the nail so easily and smoothly. The color has almost an iridescence to it. It's a beautiful soft pink, which is very forgiving, which is excellent because I'm terrible at applying polish with my left hand. So it's not so noticeable if I make a mistake or two. Also, if I've been wearing it for a bit and I do get a chip, I don't have to worry about fixing it quickly. It's very unnoticeable. The optical brighteners conceal any imperfections or yellow staining. Because you don't need a bottom or top coat with this product, it's so quick and easy to apply. And some of the great features that I really enjoy and that are very important to me is that it's paraben free, it's cruelty free, and gluten free. Using this Illuminating Nail Concealer is a quick and easy way for me to have my nails look healthy and pretty every day. And that's my point of view.